Yeah, now that you have seen how the data is collected on the smartphone, so we go back to the this particular site. Remember this site? Make a note of it. And now we will not only see the data, but we simulate the data. Okay? So I log in with the another credential of mine. Credential is nothing but the Gmail address. So log in. I will log in with Google and log in with Indian Geoparks. Yes, because I have already given it my password, it has remembered and it is there. For you, maybe it will ask you password. But remember, you must be a manager to simulate data. So the people who are heading this research of data collection, if they give an email, I will make them as managers so that they can simulate data of the data already collected. But at the moment, what we do is the complete address of our file is this. Please note it. The total address. I have logged in and now I have entered that address. It is 5apcollect.net /project /COVID-19 pandemic. Enter. So now the form is open. Its short name is CO. And now what we do is there are two entries here. And I'll say view data. Remember, for viewing data, you don't have to really be a manager, but for only simulating data. Now see it as you're seeing it as a table. See it on the map. Yes, this is Hyderabad. This is where I am. If I reduce it, you can appreciate it better. And you can still appreciate it better with satellite background. Yes, you can see all those various tonal variations to appreciate it. Let's go back to OpenStreetMap background. It is satellite background. Now go back to OpenStreetMap background. This is how it is. I live at Manikonda at Hyderabad. That's fine. So here we have, go back to table view, click it. Yes. So this has to be simulated. Okay. This needs to be edited. Then only it works. Otherwise it won't work. For that, the the name and credential I used must be a manager status. Now let us exit it. So if it is there, then the edit thing will actually come up. Exit. I have exited it. Then I will log out from this. Okay. Then again login. Login with Google account. And I'll go to the original login where I created the form. Okay. Then go to my projects. Because I created the form, the project will be there. Go back there and we'll go to details. In this, manage users. So he is the owner. There are, I will add a user here. Indian Geoparks at gmail.com. Now, this particular user has a status of a manager. It can be so many status, but unless you are a manager, you cannot change it. So I have added the user here. Okay, user added to project. Good. Okay. So once it is done, yes. Now what I do is I go out of it. I went out of it. I log in again with the manager credentials. The manager credentials are here. So now you know you have to enter the total address here to go to the actual form. Remember this. Okay. and then now go to view data. Yes. Now you see, because I am a manager, this edit button is now glowing. Please remember it. This is very important. Without being a manager, you cannot make changes. You can view it. So my idea is to just change it to another location. So I say edit. Okay. Let's see what happens when I go to edit. It starts from the first field. It doesn't know. Anywhere in the world I can give it a location because I'm simulating. So I will go to Ahmed Nagar, Maharashtra. Okay, let's see it. Search. I hope my spelling is there. Yes, this is Ahmednagar. Though the spelling is Ahmed, I put Ahmed. So still it has taken the right thing. So all I have to do is simply click update location. Good enough. And it says location updated. Go to the next data. I can drop a photo here for the household. Similarly, I can drop a photo here for neighborhood. Then the respondent's name, I can give it something here. Any, just I'll say Chavan. Like that, because it is Maharashtra, I have chosen a name like that. Then go to the next one. So any audio file, you can drop it. So it is simulation. You are not at field, but you are creating the field for yourself. So then save it. Now let's see what happens to the form. So entry is completed. Exit. Confirm the exit. Good enough. You exited. So you see, this was not there earlier. It has come. Even Chavan respondent not there. So now go to the map. You see, you will have 2 points, Ahmednagar and Hyderabad. This way you create it. For just viewing the data, you don't have to be the creator or the manager. You can view the data. So let us exit from this. Let us log out from that. Okay, I am logged out. Just to show you that I am not logging in, but I am using the total form. Anybody can see it because it is a public form. See what happens. It has come. I am not logged in. That's why it is still login is there. Otherwise it would have been log out. So I go to view data. Yes. You say map, you will see both. If you want satellite, yes, you can get satellite. You want to enlarge Ahmednagar so that you can see it better. See, that much. Yeah, you can see the city. Yes. Okay, you have to reduce it beyond a point it won't allow. So this is the place and this is Ahmednagar. Okay, so this is how you can simulate the data. I will completely exit from it. I hope I am of some help to you. Wish you all the best in data collection. Thank you.